Long answer questions from your chapter real numbers. First one is prove that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, so what you have to do, let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. First, what you have to say here, what you have to do here, you have to take this as a rational number. Okay, that is root 3 plus root 5 is equals to a by b. Okay, if you are taking it as a rational number, then we have to take is equals to a by b, where a, b are integers. Here a and b are integers and b should not be equals to 0. Okay, as we are taking this in a p by q form. Rational number means q should not be equals to 0. So squaring on both sides we are doing here. Okay, so root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equals to a by b whole square. So now this is the formula of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a square root 3 square plus root 5 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 5 is equals to a square by b square is equals to, now what you have to do, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2 root 3 5s are 15. Okay, you have to multiply these two is equals to a square by b square. Then what you have to do, 2 root 15 is equals to a square by b square minus 8. This we are taking here as minus 8. 2 root 15 is equals to, now you have to take LCM here, it will be b square. B square gets cancelled, answer will be a square minus, then you have to multiply this with this. Okay, as here 1 will be there, so it will become 8b square. Okay, 8b square. Then root 15 is equals to a square minus 8b square by 2b square you have to take. So this is the rational number. Okay, but this contradicts the fact root 15 is an irrational number. Okay, this is the fact that root 15 is an irrational number. So hence our assumption is wrong here. So root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, last step you have to write this. Now second sum is show that root 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. So here the symbol is changed here. Before it was plus and now it is minus. So let us assume that root 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. That is root 5 minus root 3 is equals to a by b, where a, b are integers and b should not be equals to 0. So squaring on both sides. Again you have to do squaring on both sides. Okay, root 5 minus root 3 whole square is equals to a by b whole square. Okay, now root 5 plus root 3 root 5 square, okay, plus root 3 square. It is a formula of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, root 5 square plus root 3 square minus 2ab means 2 root 5 root 3 is equals to a square by b square. So now 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 2 root 5 3s are 15 is equals to a square by b square is equals to minus 2 root 15 is equals to a square by b square. This plus 8 will become here minus 8. Again you have to take LCM here. Okay, so what is LCM here? B square. So now b square gets cancelled, a square minus 8b square. Okay, minus 2 root 15 is equals to a square minus 8b square by b square. Okay, so now root 15 is equals to a square minus 8b square by minus 2b square. So this is the rational number. Again you have to write the same step. But this contradicts the fact root 15 is an irrational number. So root 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number again. Hence our assumption is wrong here. Okay. Now third question is, if x square plus y square is equal to 27xy, then show that log x minus y by 5 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. So now what you have to do, given x square plus y square is equal to 27xy, x square plus y square is equal to 27xy, subtracting 2x on both sides. X square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 27xy minus 2xy. So this will become x minus y whole square. This is the formula of a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is a minus b whole square is equal to 27 minus 2 is 25. Then x minus y by, okay, 5 square. Okay, you have to separate this. Okay, x minus y square by, then this 25 will become 5 square. Okay, 5 5 is 25. We are taking this 25 here is equal to xy. Well, now what you have to do, x minus y by 5 whole square. Okay, we are taking this square common is equal to xy. Then x minus y by 5 is equal to this square we are taking here as root. Okay, root xy. Now taking logarithm on both sides. Okay, if you take logarithm on both sides, what will happen? Log x minus y by 5 is equals to log root x. Again, if product is there, if you are separating, you have to take plus log root y. Then what you have to do, log root x means what it will become? Log x 1 by 2. Okay, then plus log y 1 by 2. Okay, then 1 by 2 you have to take here common. Okay, 1 by 2 we are taking here, then log x plus log y. Hence it is proved. What is given in the question? Log x minus y by 5. Log x minus y by 5 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. It is proved. Okay, so this is the easiest method. Okay. Now fourth sum is use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form phi m or phi m plus 1 or phi m plus 4, where m is a whole number. So the values can be changed in the exam. It can be given 6m or it can be given 8m. Okay, so any number can be represented by the form phi m plus r. So here in this one more method is there, but I think this is the easiest method you can remember. Okay, so here phi m plus r. Okay, so any number can be represented by the form phi m plus r. Okay, so where r can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and m belongs to n. So m belongs to n here. So by Euclid's division algorithm, we know a is equals to bq plus r. So what is a here? Q. Q is equals to phi m plus r. Okay, q is equals to phi m plus r you have to take here. Okay, so q square, now squaring on both sides, q square is equals to phi m plus r whole square. It is a plus b whole square means 5 square means 25m square plus 10mr means 2ab, 2 into 5m, it is 10. Okay, 10r. Okay, 10mr plus b square will become r square. Okay, then q square is equals to, then 5 you have to take common here, into 5m square plus 5 to the 10mr plus that is r square. Okay, so now take 5m square plus 2mr is equals to k. This we have to take as k. Then q square is equals to 5k plus r square. Okay, so since r belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we know this. So r square is equals to, what will become r square here? R square will become 0, 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16. Okay, so we also have condition that any number of the form aq plus r, so r is less than equals to a. So since r is the remainder when the number is divided by a, so r is the remainder when the number is divided by a. Okay, so therefore r square, so it should be less than 5. So here possible values of r square. Okay, r square is equals to 0, 1, 4. Okay, 0, 1, 4. So therefore any positive integer is of form phi m plus 1 or phi m plus 4 you have to write. Okay, this condition, all conditions you have to remember. Here you can take 8 if 8m is given. Okay, you can take here 6 if 6m is given. Okay, so like this you have to continue this. Okay, the same thing you have to take, you have to change the values. Okay.